Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect funnel cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet components, have 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget several cups of vegetable oil for frying and plenty of powdered sugar for that classic finish. Now let's create our delicious batter. In a large bowl, thoroughly whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, gently combine the 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, whisking until just smooth. Remember, avoid overmixing to keep your funnel cake wonderfully light and airy. It's time for the magic to happen. Heat at least 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter into a funnel, using your finger to control the flow. Swirl the batter into the hot oil in a continuous, overlapping circular pattern. Fry each side for approximately 1 minute until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Almost ready to enjoy? Once your funnel cake is perfectly golden, carefully remove it from the hot oil using tongs. Place it on a wire rack, ideally over paper towels, to allow any excess oil to drain away. While the funnel cake is still warm, generously dust it with plenty of powdered sugar. This final touch adds that irresistible sweetness. Serve your homemade, delicious funnel cake immediately and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.